Hello everybody. Now this video will show you the difference between taking the green resource mode and untick the green resource mode. Right now I have unticked the green resource mode. That means to use the best performance of your PC and to use the high speed to image your hard drive. Now we can see that the imaging speed is 150 megabytes per second. So it is very fast right now. I will try to stop the image and click the settings. We can see here there is one green resource mode. If I tick it, so this one is ticked in default settings, and we start it again, and we will see that the imaging speed has been decreased to 70 megabytes per minute. So this is one very big difference if users tick and untick the green resource mode. We can see that the imaging speed difference. So mostly if users' computers have good configurations, and then we suggest users stop the imaging for the moment and then untick the green resource mode. Click OK, and we can start the imaging again, and we will see that the imaging speed will increase dramatically. Thank you for watching this video.